Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build workflow automation in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, log into your Copper CRM account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel, click on automations. Okay, click on it. And then here, as you can see, we have three automations. We have email, task, and finally, workflow automation. And it says here, automate the creation and updating of records. Okay, so what we'll do is just click on it. Now, here, as you can see, you can now go ahead and choose your time zone. Okay, if not, just click on Add Workflow. Down here, as you can see, we have the trigger and also the action. So basically, when it says trigger, whenever there's a trigger event happened or occurred. So if that trigger event happened, action will follow right here. Okay, so to teach you, I'm going to go ahead and select on this drop down, we have pipeline record. Choose either lead, person, pipeline record, company, or tasks. All right, so let's say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the person or people record. So when a person is created, the trigger condition right here, for number one, choose a field, for example, a name. Choose the operator is equals, maybe, standard, a name. Okay, so let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in Ryan. I'm going to scroll down, select the action, create or update, like so. Selection right here from the name field. Okay, change to, add a name, first name, maybe Christian Alvarado. All right. Now what we'll do is just click on Set Live. Now it says here, workflow rule created. Here you have it. And if you want to make it inactive, just click on the minus button right here and make it active if you want to. Okay, now people creation, I'm going to go ahead and under my people, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a person, just Ryan, right here, hit on save. Now it says here, created Ryan. Now let's go ahead over to all people, right here. And as you can see, we now have Christian Alvarado as well. Okay, that's just how the automation works, or workflow automation works here in Copper CRM. If you want to, you could go ahead and play around with these options. You can go ahead and create another free account, okay, just to play around. And if you want to edit it, just click on edit right here, add in a new workflow if you want to, maybe for a pipeline record, company task, you name it. All right, but that's just basically it. Whenever there's a trigger event happens, action right here will follow. All right, and if you want to as well, you could go ahead and add in more actions. Okay, let's say you wanted to add another task prior with creating the other person. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.